Hi, how you doing? Are we on? We're on. Hi, everybody. We're at home today, and I saw something on the news that illustrates how uh, partisan politics in general has a tendency to distort the full truth of issues. I'm going to show you a video that I saw on Alex Wagner's show on MSNBC. She was talking to some uh, women and men in Philadelphia about the presidential campaign. And I saw a statement and I thought, well, let's take a look at the story behind this statement and get some more clarity. And if you see the video, which I'm going to show in a very low-tech manner off a clip I took with my phone, and compare it to the article that I'm posting in the comments. This is about California's truancy program. So let's see if I can make this happen. So this is the clip.
For me, the very first time I ever heard the name Kamala Harris, it was in association to locking up parents for truancy. That was the first time I ever heard of her name. And I really didn't understand how this person claims to be a black woman, but yet she's locking up black women and black men and separating families.
So that was the clip. And so I just did a little searching and I found the article that you will see posted from NPR, which was a summary of an interview that had appeared on another news service. Um, there was already a law for many years on the books about truancy, and there's a lot of um, information about how uh, a lot of the homicides had been associated with truancy and high school dropouts. So the question is, how do you get kids to more reliably stay in school? And the new law that had come into effect uh, in the little before, I guess a little before 2013, because the case that they cited, which was a woman named Peoples, who had been arrested in her home, uh, was created some guidelines about how local district attorneys could approach alerting parents to the law that they had to send their kids to school. And the initial intention was to uh, bring more attention to the issue and hold parents accountable, but it was supposed to result in meetings and additional support needed. And they were actually, there was a proposal to make sure that they uniformly gathered their data on the impact, who was being affected, and statewide. And they never, that part of the data tracking process never made it into the law, unfortunately. And so uh, there were cases in which, depending on the political bent of the local prosecutor and district attorney, they would, some of them would be more collaborative with the parents, and others would be more um, punitive. And when you look at the clip, you get one impression, and then when you read the article, you get another impression. So my position has been, we're all one people, we're one family, and partisan politics has a tendency to divide and distort. And but it's very seductive. You tend to get sucked in if you look at the news, seeing one side or the other. And it's really by opening up and listening to all sides that you get a better view. These are very complex issues, and it takes unity of thought, and it takes a lot of time to get to any type of consensus to move forward together. So I hope you found this helpful and instructive, and God willing, our country will be able to bring itself together. These are very trying times. Thank you very much.